Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your footage and confirming Premiere Pro's speech-to-text feature is available. If not, get SRT ready. Once media is in the project panel, create or open a sequence and drag clips onto the timeline. Make sure audio is clean. Use a denoiser, normalize peaks to around -6 dB, and split multi-speaker tracks if possible. These steps speed up transcription and improve accuracy, so you avoid rework later. Now run transcribe sequence from the text panel, choose the correct language and the audio track you want transcribed. This is where you select alternating speaker detection if needed. Once done, review the generated transcript line by line and correct misheard words, speaker names, and timing. Make precise edits using Edit Transcript so captions align. Use Find and Replace for repeated terms, and remember to apply punctuation and capitalization to improve readability before exporting captions or burning them into your video. Finish by choosing how you want captions. Export as SRT or TTML for platforms, or select burned-in captions in Export Right Arrow Media if you want permanent subtitles. Once done, confirm caption settings match your sequence frame rate and set max characters per line for readability. If transcription quality is poor, rerun after cleaning audio, isolate speakers, or use manual transcription. If timing is off, adjust caption clip edges on the timeline. One key troubleshooting tip: low accuracy almost always traces back to noisy or low-volume audio. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.